गाइस आज हम ये खाने वाले हैं। एक पैकेट का है 100 ग्राम्स। ये आज ट्राई करेंगे हम। Ano na. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new vlog. I'm gonna try this current to egg spice. So it's my first time trying current noodles. So I don't know how spicy it is. My friend told me it is good. Today I'm gonna try current noodles, and later I will be trying bulldog, which is gonna be more spicy as well. But so I'm gonna put like um, different video on my different vlog. But for now, let's start with this. Let me pray a little bit. Let's go, guys. Please ignore my background, okay? I don't have proper mic. I'm just making this video for my cell phone. I don't know about the sound quality, but I'm enjoying it. It's very spicy. I was thinking to put one king chili, but when I searched in Delhi, I could not get it. So next time I will bring king chili as well. So let's have fun with this. It's burning. I think I won't be able to finish, but let me just try to finish it. So it's coming up.
Okay, thank you. I could comment down below if you want to watch more mukbangs.
It was good now. It's burning, but not too spicy. It was good for me. So as of now, I've finished everything. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos of mukbang, then please comment down below. I'll be coming with new vlogs. So I'm thinking to try with bulldog as well. So comment down if you want me to try with bulldogs as well. So please guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Take care. Bye.